O, diba? Naka 4 kilometers. O, 4 kilometers ako. Daanan natin to. Seoul Museum of Korean Folk Music. This is a free admission. O, diba? Christmas films na nila. Meron dyan mga darling if you wanted to try. Ito pa yung nung buo pa Korea. Pedestrian sidewalks are so wide. We saw a photo booth mga darling. So it's print. Dalas. And we're finally done mga darling. Dito lang yan sa, diba? Naka 4 kilometers. O, 4 kilometers ako. Okay. So, tapos na tayo dito sa, ito na naman. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung pangalan. Ano kasi? Changdeokgung. We're done with the Changdeokgung Palace. Ang next stop natin for today's video mga darling is Jongmyo Shrine. Sabi sa maps never. It's just walking distance. Lakarin na lang natin. And then after that, we'll get lunch. And then, balik na tayo sa Airbnb para naman makapagpahinga na tayo. And tomorrow, I'm gonna check my schedule if I can do the Nami Island tomorrow. Then tignan ko yung mga kulok or tignan natin if we can do a DIY. Siyempre, medyo wala tayong tulog nun. Pero tignan natin. Malay mo, mailaban natin mga darling. So, see you at the Jongmyo Shrine. Mga darling. Sarange! Sakto mga darling, bago tayo pumunta sa Jongmyo Shrine, daanan natin tong Seoul Museum of Korean Folk Music. And it looks like this is a free admission. Diba? Let's take a look mga darling. Bilang nandito na tayo. Okay. First floor. Mukha siyang hanok Mukha siyang hanok village. Ha? Oh, I can enter. So, kailangan natin technique. Museum. Nation lang siya. Parang it's giving history ng old Korean folk songs. Diba, may mga ganito sila. And then, we can go downstairs. This is free admission mga darling. So, it's a lot of history also in terms of their art, music. Yan, these are old pictures. Let me show you more mga darling. O, diba? Christmas films na nila. Diba? There are cassette tapes, CDs. Ang ganda naman ang concept niya. Very nice. Sayo. This way. Oh, there's LED presentation. Folk and Korean folk songs. Ma-share ko lang darling. When I was still in college, first year college, may kaklase kami na Korean. We always ask him to sing. Kinakanta niya is yung Arirang. Hindi ko alam kung national song ba nila yun. Gustong gusto niya. So ito rin yung mga napapanood natin sa mga K-drama na very nice. Yan mga darling. And then may hanbok dito. Siguro ito yung mga sinusuot ng mga performers. So if you wanna listen mga darling, this is a headphone. It's magnetic. Diba? But you can hear that sound. No music. So you can hear sample. Oh, see? This is the Arirang. The song of Koreans. Yan yung kinakanta lagi ng classmate namin. Meron dyan mga darling, if you wanted to try. Let's click start. And then, tignan natin. You have, pero isang kamay lang ang kaya ko. Hirap niya. See? I did not hit anything. So pa. Master of rhythm. What's my score? 0. Walang tumama. Anyway, I enjoyed it. Galing. Galing niya mga darling. Pa-enjoy naman. Ito yung mga, very old. Let's see. Yung mga very ancient nila. Teko. So, ito pa yung nung buo pa ang Korea. So, hindi pa siya hati. Ayan. So, this is the history. Diba? Crocker, fishing. Ito yung actually buong map ng Korea. Nung buo pa siya. Then, you can see on the bottom there is the Jeju. More on fishing din talaga sila. Meron silang songs for sea, for fishermen. Ayan. Very unique. Ganda niyang picture ng mga darling. Ito naman. Ayan. So, another genre. Ibang trabaho naman. Siguro ito yung mga mga labor. Song of ground hardening. So, more on mga labors to. Ito rin. Song of hemp weaving. Song of weaving. Okay, so if, like for example, nag-aaral ka ng history, this is a good example, mga darling. Diba? Meron film viewing dito. Sisombe, Song of Hanggang River. So, meron din siyang Song of Hanggang River. Meron silang specific songs for history. So, napaka-rich talaga. Tignan natin yung last floor. So, may mga old pictures sila. Mga darling. Pictures of old Korea. Super rich. And then of course, may another Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Hey, Christmas tree. Stuff. Ito na rin mga plaka na. So this is mga modern na audio recording of Korean folk songs. Let me film you. Weaving. Yung mga darling. Korean folk songs na cassette, mga plaka. And then there's a digital screen room. So hindi na natin papanoorin yung film viewing. I think we have covered a very, very valuable piece of Korean history specific to their music. Hindi na tayo magtatagal masyado kasi we are limited time din. So, punta na tayo niyan sa Jongmyo Shrine and then after that, uwi na tayo. Pero lunch muna tayo bago tayo umuwi. And then, ayan. Ito na siya. Ito na yung labas. Napakaganda. Punta kayo sa Changdeokgung Palace. Don't forget this Korean Folk Songs Museum. Libre lang mga darling. There's an exit here. Okay. Uy, malamig na naman. So may exit dito. Ayan. See you sa Dongmyo. Dongmyo Shrine mga darling. Share ko lang mga darling mo. What I love about going to other countries is that they are pedestrian friendly. So, yung pedestrian sidewalks are so wide na halos kasing size man siya ng the main roads. Which is why it's very nice to just stroll rather than take a cab, take a taxi when you travel. So, napaka-friendly nila when it comes to pedestrian. Which is very, very far from what we have back home. Hindi naman sa minamaliit ko ang Pinas. Pero sa atin kasi mga darling, hindi kasi masyadong priority ang mga sidewalk. And if may sidewalk man, anong nangyayari? Alam nyo na yung mga vendors na-occupy pa din nila. Although alam ko naman, you're trying to make a living, but it's a lot better kung halimbawa, we do it in a legal way. Marami namang mga designated area saan kayo pwede magtinda, diba? Yun lang naman. But if you're gonna see, this is the sidewalk. Pag pinagsama mo pa yung dalawang sidewalk na yun, mas malaki pa siya sa road na daanan ng mga sasakyan mismo. Yun yung na-appreciate ko when I visit other countries. The same here in Korea. Yun lang mga darling na share ko lang. So, Jongmyo Shrine, this is the one, the part of Korea, yung traditional nilang bakod with a lot of coffee shops. Medyo malamig dito, mga darling. I saw a photo booth, mga darling. So, let's do the 8 cut. Okay, okay na yan. Even I don't understand. Ganun mo ng 4,000, tinipid ko yung Tinipid ko yung Secret Garden na 2,000. Pero yung 4,000 na photo booth, pinatos ko. Anyway, tragic to experience, mga darling. Another post. So, pinili ko itong mga darling. So, let's next. Print. So, yun nga mga darling are now approaching. So, the Jongmyo Shrine. And, it's a park. It's a nice autumn park, by the way. Daming photo ops uli dito. Tapos malapit na to sa train station actually. Madali na lang sa atin na ano. Dito na lang tayo sa may garden and shrine ng Jongmyo. Jongmyo Shrine Odemon Gate. Let me give you like a 360-degree view. So, very autumn pa din dito mga darling. Kita mo pa yung mga autumn leaves. And, ang dami mga seniors. Seniors. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung pala. Ito pala yung Jongmyo Shrine. And, nandito yung parang ano nila. Statue of Lee Sang-jae. Okay, so let me show you the history. Oh. So Lee Sang-jae is a patriot. So ginawan siya ng shrine. Ayan siya mga darling. Lee Sang-jae. This is most of the Jongmyo Garden Shrine. And then entry to. For sure may tickets. Ayun, tickets. Okay, so if you want to see a lot of autumn foliage for the Jongmyo. Okay? Alright. Anyway, Magugyong Bokgong Palace naman tayo. So, tignan natin mga darling. So, we may not have the luxury of time. Kailangan na natin bumalik. At least nakita natin yung Jongmyo Garden Shrine and ang dami pa ring autumn foliage dito. So goods na rin naman. Okay naman din yung nilakad natin. Hindi na sayang. So may shrine dyan pero I think garden yan. May mga structures na ancient. So siguro let's just keep it at that na muna. And then, punta na tayo sa train station or subway station para makauwi. Hanap na lang tayo ng food na malapit sa atin. But I think I will eat. I want barbecue. I want samgyeopsal. Ganun ako kagutom mga darling. Nagmerienda ako sa Airbnb kanina. Nag-breakfast ako sa Airbnb kanina. And dalawang ano lang naman ng sandwich tsaka kape. So, feeling ko naubos na sila. Tunaw na. Pati yung mga stored fats ko. Hanapin na natin ang subway station para makauwi na tayo. See ya mga darling. Saranghe. So yun na mga darling. I ride the bus. Punta na tayo sa Myeongdong. Hanap tayo ng kainan. Pork. That's it. Pagod tayo for today's video. Sulit na sulit yung umaga natin. Samahan niyo ko mamaya. Kain tayo na. Legit na sa view. See you mga darling.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so yun naman mga darling, we are at Myeongdong Food Street. Myeongdong Shopping Street. Nakita akong pork barbecue house dito. And pwede naman na isang tao. Normally pang 2 tao sila. Pero dinagdagan ko na siya ng bibimbap and pork belly. Yeah. They're already serving the side dishes and I think they're gonna be cooking the pork for you. Okay. Let me show you mga darling the process. Para sa inyo to mga darling. Yes.
Together. Pictures together.
Bibimbap mga darling. Ilapit natin mga darling. Para mas powerful. Cheers mga darling. Sarap mga darling. Sarap mga darling. After a whole day of whole morning of walking. Cheers mga darling. Ang sarap ng kimchi nila mga darling. Ah, legit. So good. So good. Kimchi is so good. Para sa inyo to. So what I ordered mga darling is 100 grams ng pork samgyeopsal. And then, isang order ng veggie bibimbap. So kailangan may dalawang order. It's either doble ka ng samgyeopsal or pair ka ng other. So this is like 14,000 won. And the samgyeopsal is like 22,000 won. Medyo mainit lang to. Kaya hindi ko siya madalas. So far, ito yung pinaka mahal kong kinain for this travel. So, Oh, so good. So good. And the other side dishes, they're good. Ito parang coated dish and garlic. It's good. I will finish this. Ay, so good mga darling. I cannot stress enough. Kaya mga darling, I'm just gonna finish my food. And then, after this, we will head to the Airbnb. Kailangan natin magpahinga dahil we're gonna have shift. See you later mga darling. And I'm done eating mga darling. Naubos yung 100 grams of pork, kimchi, the coated side dish. Pero yung aking bibimbap ay hindi naubos. So I'm just gonna ask for this to be take out para mamayang gabi pag nagutom ako may pagkain ako dun sa Airbnb. So right now I'm just gonna ask to fill out and see you sa ating Airbnb. This is delicious. Sarap mga darling. And we're done with our food mga darling. And meron pa ako take out na bibimbo. Apakalamig. Pahapon na kasi. Malamig na naman. Feeling ko mga below 5 degrees na. And naglalakad tayo sa street ng Yeongdo, Togero. Pabalik na tayo sa ating sa tapat ko Daiso. 12 floors na Daiso. And it's chilling to the bone. Baba tayo ng subway para makalipat tayo sa kabilang daan. Lamig. Darling.